I think 5 also or 6. Wait. The mother is that 1, 2, 3. No. Dalawa pala yung malaki. Allora, maliit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Uy! Ako. 7, 8. Baka dalawang family ito. 2 families. Ang dami naman. 8. Wait. Allora. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lagi? 8? 2 families, I think. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lagi? Lah. You know, in the other part, in other region here in Italy, these wild animals, they catch and kill. But here in our town, here in this area, this park is not natural. This is artificial park. We have this. They are protected. But in another region in Italy, like Veneto, Emilia Romagna, I think Palma. I don't remember. Because they said that these wild animals, no, causing damage to the dam. But here is protected, this animal here. Hello, 8 man na, 8 or 9. Ang very good. 2 families siguro ni daghana guni. Kasi podarsi kay ayan ayun 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. Very sure 8. Pero baka may nakatago pa dyan. Yan 8 or 9. I think 2 mothers. 2 mothers.